I got shooters everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. Can go like anywhere. I got OG pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Come and go, no bus fare. And I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians that I want to get this sparking. They go got them barking. Oh, LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds. He don't really do the.
What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a little bit of different things here on the Z. So the motor, give you guys an update on that. It is actually at CSS, so it is at the machine shop right now, getting the closed deck. So super excited, that thing's on its way to getting closer to be finished. So for today, we got a little bit of a surprise and some cosmetic stuff. Also traction related, so it's not just completely for looks. But we're about to go pick up my homie RJ's S71 Beadlocks, which are the wheels that I'm gonna be putting on the Z in the rear. So I don't know what specs I need for the back spacing and stuff, so that's why I'm gonna go get those and test them out to see how his fit. I might end up buying them off of him. I just gotta make sure they clear my brakes and fit well inside the wheel well. So as long as they do, your boy might have some beadlocks. I'm gonna have them either way, but I might end up with RJ since his car is gonna be down for a while. He's getting a built motor in his Coyote and it seems to be taking a while. So I'm gonna pull the TEs off and then me and Harry are gonna load them in the Audi, head over to HPJ where RJ's car's at, pull his wheels off and bring him back here and test fit him on the Z. Clean some shit. I got wheels on the other side of the car. Then I have to pull out so I can jack that side up and get everything out. About to be selling this old girl soon. Gonna be grabbing another Trackhawk. If you guys watched the last video, she's all cleaned up. There's no more puke in there, brother. J Billy paid for that detail, somewhat. But the daily looking clean. So fresh and so clean. So anyway, gonna pull all these suckers out. Get this mug set back down in the front so we can jack up the rears and get them suckers off. Okay, I got a lot of shit I gotta move. A lot more than I thought. So I'll move these cars around and get my bike out of the way so I can get the jack under there. Okay, got everything out of the way. Let's get to work. All right, got a lot of that done. I got hot, sure had to come off. Turbo's up there. Got everything clean on the ground. Waiting for Harry to get here. I just realized my damn jack's in his trunk, so waiting on him. Gonna pop the wheels off and we'll be on our way. Help has arrived, brother. Help has arrived. Scratch that. Harry had a brighter idea. I didn't have any more jack stands here, so he's just gonna go ahead and go to his house and get 2 more so I can jack the rear up without having to set the front down and go back and forth. Girl, goddamn hovercraft right now, brother. She damn hovercraft, brother. I can't wait to see these welds on this thing. I've wanted them literally for ages. This thing is gonna look so sick. By the way, let me know if you guys like the last video better at the Super Roll, if you like me filming better on my iPhone, or if you like this thing better. Comment below and let me know, because I really am curious what you guys prefer to see. Oh yeah, there's no way right now. All right, Harry from the O about to take over.
What are we doing?
Filming.
What? Hey, you working out, dude?
Nope.
Nope. Yeah, we can tell.
Yeah. Look at them all Triple A's, baby. Best tire on the planet, brother.
What's that? Who would ever buy those?
You.
Oh yeah.
Look how close we were to not getting these wheels off. It almost didn't happen, brother. You almost didn't see it, brother. Oh god damn, brother.
Come on, dude.
Hopscotch this motherfucker. All right, TEs are off and loaded up, baby. We're about to head on down to HPJ and boy, I can't wait to see some welds on this thing. This has been my dream wheels forever. I've had the S71s on my old Z06, non-beadlocks though, just for a couple weeks. Borrowed them from a friend, but having them, potentially these being my wheels, are about to be dope. You already know we had to make that stop and cop, baby. Are you beeping at me? I wasn't even cussing. That's right, run while you can, buddy, run while you can. Oh, what'd you do, little folks? No exhaust in the V6 Mustang, baby, that's what we're talking about. We are not taking that way home, brother, I will tell you that right now. Yeah, was that guy dead? We're cruising, the sunroof's open. I feel something hit my arm, I look down. I think a bird just shit on me, so guess who's getting it, brother? No. Everyone be quiet. There's no reason to say that I was at a Mustang shop. We won't talk about this. All right, we got a whole bunch of Mustangs to maneuver around, so let's go ahead and get to it.
This thing must be pretty fast. Look at this thing, dude. Those things are sick. Fucking Griffin making me do all the heavy
get that
lifting.
fucking door, get that fucking door.
Making me do all the heavy lifting, dude.
I know. All packed up. Barely fit. Let's hope these joints fit, because otherwise this is an hour and a half, 2 hours wasted for no reason.
What?
You're fired.
Why?
Because you never have the camera out.
I had the camera out right here.
You're
Right
fucking
here.
fired,
Right
dude.
here.
Yup. Alright. Let's get a damn rag on these things, dude. Get a damn rag.
Piece of shit, dude. Nice, dude. Good be real.
Smells good, brother. Ooh, brother. RJ, you owe me $50 cleaning fee, dude.
Oh, and $50 off.
This is it. It's the moment of truth. Everything I've worked for my whole life comes down to this moment.
Really? Everything? Oh.
Alright, sounds like we're off to
Dude, those look insane.
They fit. Dude, actually they might not.
What you mean?
I think it's touching the brake.
What?
I'm about to start crying.
Why, dude? Looks like
That
shit.
looks amazing. I'm about to freak out. Oh my God, it looks so good. I can't even handle it. I'm about to start crying. You look, that 305 even tucks in there good.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my God. All right, folks, now the lugs that I have did not fit on there. I don't know if I'm gonna get it extended studs or a different type of lug nut, but we have a bunch of time to figure all that shit out. That being said, you see the merch. The She Wants to Z merch is now out, baby. So if you guys are interested, I have large, mediums, and smalls left. I am sold out of extra large. We will re-up, don't worry, just not yet. So if you're interested, they're 30 bucks a pop shipped. Shoot me a DM on Instagram, comment below if you want one. We'll figure it out, get one out to you. And if you guys are new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. We got tons of stuff coming. And that meat on that tire, it's not there for no reason. He's gonna be a bad little bitch this year. But that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.